Hello everyone. Before I start cooking now, I just thought I want to share a quick tip with you in case you do not know that yet. So when you are on your screen and you want to zero back all your settings that you have, so first of all, you can tap on the bubble and then that's the one that becomes bigger is the one we are operating here with the dial. But what you also can do is you can just press this button to jump and activate the different settings here. All right, so I'm just pressing and then this way it hops around. And whilst this bubble is biggest, I can zero that back. So instead of turning, I can just hold my finger on top of it and it zeroes it back. All right, show you again. Switching to the next bubble and hold my finger on top of it and zero it back. How good is that? Give me a thumbs up if you haven't known that yet, and if you like that trick, and happy mixing.